What's going on YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. And today my new WRX is here, so I'm about to head out to that dealership, waiting on the wife to come out here. Just noticed she cleaned the Blazer, man. I used to seeing her car clean, but the day is finally here. So I ordered this car back in August, and now it is the second week in November and the car is finally here. So excited about that. So that's what we're about to do today. About to head to the dealership. Already got the financing in order, sent them the insurance, so I'm just ready to go, sign some papers and pick up the car and bring it back home. But before we hop into all that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Let's jump into it. I guess I'll let y'all get a cold start of the Camaro. My cars be stealing my autofocus shine. As soon as you see the Camaro back there, it want to focus on the Camaro. You focus on me. I'm the star of the show, not the Camaro. Come on, man. Let us get there. I just can't wait to show you all the cars. So off to the dealership we go. Here at Seller Subaru, the salesman's on lunch. And there it is. Gotta go get a car wash so it can be pretty for the camera and pretty for me. So we're having discussions here, so I'm gonna wait for them to get back with the cars. So with these cars here, there's a mandatory package that you have to take. It's an extra $1,000 markup, but you get the tire package or the interior protection and all things which I don't want. So on the Subaru, we got some meat on the sidewall, so I don't feel the need for tire protection. And even though I know like the value for $1,000 worth of tires, that's like 4 tires, and I personally don't see the value in that for me per se. And the wheels, I like the ZL1, for that car, the tires, yeah, but don't like the wheels. Definitely don't like them on here, but that's what I'm dealing with. So I'm talking about that because that is kind of a deal breaker for me. So conversations going on that. Been emailing back and forth for a while, but haven't really got the responses I want to see, but we got to finish those conversations. So let's see the car when he gets clean and we'll go on the tour. This guy just picked up his Rex. See him about to stall right now. Just way heavy on that clutch. But here we go, all cleaned up. And this is me. All right, here we have it. My new 2022 Subaru WRX in solar orange. So let's take a look at it. Let's see what Q spec this out as. So this is a premium, and we got the solar orange paint. That was the first thing that I chose. Looking around here, and this is the best part of the car right here, this rear bumper. Man, this thing looks really good in the sun. Woo. So yeah, I only got 2 options on here with the premium, so it's not base, so it comes with some better features. You got the sunroof, and we got the Harman Kardon. And one thing I didn't order, which is also a dealer aftermarket thing that you can buy, is a short shifter. I don't know how I goofed that up. Didn't know it was a thing, because this shifter, you can see that thing is kind of long. But let me go around on the driver's side. The seats look good. Got the red in the back of the black cloth seats, because this is the premium, which is a step above base. I didn't notice this before. It's like some kind of carbon fiber looking like material on the door. Got on the steering wheel here, the red stitching coming across. Kind of beefy, man. Let's see what this thing looking like, this giant touchscreen. This shifter is very long though. Gotta admit that. This is one of the things that I forgot to point out in the other video. This thing takes some getting used to, this giant screen, like my heated seats. Oh, the climate. Yeah, it's all down there. Not crazy about this. I got the manual seats. Oh, got the Another poverty spec. Look at all these buttons I'm missing. You got to get the GT for stuff like this. I assume this is the cruise control type of things. Dang, it's even worse down here. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blank buttons. Man, did I even try? I just got to do this one time. Yeah, it's not a lot to write home about in here. It's a black interior. And yeah, it does the business. But let's see how this thing sounds. Oh my God. Shout out to Race Car Friends. He the one that really talked me into getting this car. Also the Topher, they really bigged up this car. And I just stalled. But I wasn't trying to drive. I'm trying to get out the car so I can give y'all the audio. Alright, let's see how I turn this fan down, because this thing is way up high. They ain't even gassed me out though. This thing is on EE. Alright, so how do we stop this from blowing so loudly? Oh. Alright, got it. It's touch control. Alright, there go the heated seats. One press. Oh, and then you touch over here for the heated seats. That's not simple. Alright, but let's see how this thing sounds on the outside. Cool looking key. Subaru button, what does that do? Probably unlocks the car. But yeah, that's dope. So that's my WRX. Or shall I say that was my WRX. So unfortunately for us and the channel, we will not be taking delivery today. It's such a shame. So we're trying to negotiate and we couldn't come to an agreement. But it was they actually agreed to knock off the mandatory package, because I know, so I got some friends in the car market. Cars are well, at least for the WRX, their inventory isn't as rare as it once was. So now they have inventory and dealerships have stock. Like I'm looking at 3 to 4 that's on the lot right now. So they're not in scarcity as they once were months ago. And I was trying to negotiate that, but unfortunately we could not come to an agreement. And I already purchased the car. Actually, I purchased the channel car yesterday. It's literally right in front of me, but you all won't see it until the next video. So we gotta wait a couple days. So this is what would have been. So unfortunately, like, man, it sucks that I'm not taking this home, because I felt like it was a ripoff. I didn't want to be like, even though I went into that knowing, but still, that was. And the manager, he was super duper apologetic about it. Like he understands the circumstances. He got swamped and didn't come back to the table to agree. But it is no hard feelings. Like I got to do what's best for me. He's got to do what's best for him. And like I said, if you all want to buy it, it's going to be available. So Seller Subaru out here in Macomb, Michigan, the WRX that I ordered is not even mine, but it is available and it's a lovely car. So I just got all of what I need and want. Sunroof, Harman Kardon Premium. So stickers about 35 grand. And hopefully I'm going to, like, if you are serious about buying this car, let me know. 'Cause if they do that markup stuff to you, just let me know, and I'll talk to them myself to see if we can get this to you for MSRP. It is lower in value at auction. So that's how I know the market is calm on these, and it shouldn't be marked up, especially for what the other dealerships are trying to mark it up for. But this was probably the best I could do, where I did have an allocation at for that time period. Now MSRP, that's all you should need. But let me go return this, and yeah, that's gonna be it. So unfortunately, not taking delivery of the Subaru. Sorry for whoever wanted to see one, just not today. Not today. If I didn't purchase the car already, then I'll be taking this home today. But let me get going. So unfortunately, this won't be the channel car. It could. If y'all want me to sell a ZL1 to get one of these, I'll make the content, but I don't think that's what the channel want to see. Let me take one more look at the car, because it's still a beautiful car, man, especially popping in the sun. The looks grew on me, the front is attractive. I've grown to like the front. Now I've accepted the cladding on here. That back though, I'm not getting past that. But it's a good looking car. It's very fun. Like the fun factor on this car, amazing. Just can't get jiggy with this right here. It's odd. It's doable, but it's odd. I don't see why they decided to do that. Let's see what this trunk is looking like. I like this black trim on here too. Damn, that went up easily. Look, yeah, got the WRX floor mats in the back. And that's it, folks. The WRX that I did not seal the deal on. So I actually hated to even make this video, but I at least wanted you all to see where I was going to go with it. But this is the business and a personal choice, so I got to do what's right for me and the Cute the Chaotic brand. And markup was not it for this one. So it's nothing against the dealers. It's just what it is. But yeah, let me give the keys, say goodbye to the WRX. It's a lovely looking car, but we're not taking delivery of it today. Who knows in the future, maybe if they actually did a STI, I don't know. That could be a chance in the future. They canceled it, but if these sell enough, then who knows. So that's where we are. Reveal of the channel car coming in the next video. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, follow the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.